let's continue from further sections. Before we are making these pages, right? uh, Now we are going to create this rest of the pages cache draw, right? So before we are creating empty cache draw pages, right? So let's create first of all, go to the home controller, cache draw. Okay, so in this cache draw, what we need for this page, before we are updating the expiries draws, right? What we are doing here is static the query if it's active and draw day is less than today, right? Then this type of the cache draw we are immediately completed and updated at date. Okay, uh, another is we need to send here data. Okay, in this data cache draws, get from the cache draw. uh, let's get with query. Okay, and where is active draws. Okay, and then let's count with count. What do we have to count here? Entries and then approved winners. Another is claimed winners. Okay, and let's get all cache draws. Before that, we have to make active draws. Okay, active draws in the go to the cache draw. Okay, first of all, let's create scope one, scope for public function, scope active draws with query, and let's use query builder. Query builder from the database Eloquent query. Okay, yes. So in this section, active draws is the where query status is active, and active means another we need to check where draw date is greater or equals to today date. Okay, that carbon now means this one, and then latest by order by draw date. Okay, let's see the order by draw date. One relation is complete with this one. Another is entries. Let's relation up with entries. Public function entries, so has many relations with cache draw and not entry. Okay, entry class. So has many import here, use entry and has many. No, entry model no need na, right? They're the same folder model. So let's break down. It's easy to understand code. Yes. So another is relation is approved winner, right? Let's make another relation, public function approved winner, and this is also has many relation. This is a winner, winners, okay, and then where status is approved. Let's create winners also, public function, right, winners with has many cash draw winners, and another relation is claimed winner, okay. Approved public function claimed winner with has many winner status is claimed. And let's one more relation, public, one more function, public function clear winner, okay. We need to clear sometime, it's a return integer, that is true or false, like, okay. So return this winners delete, right. Okay, we are making this one fine. Another is we need to get recent winners, okay. So this cash draw recent winners. So let's make a recent winners, okay. What we have to do here, public functions recent winner. Here we have to scope recent winners, or let's make capital scope recent winners, right. Builder, okay. Let's query same like, return query where whereas winners, another with winners function. Let's pass this winners function. We have to pass query, and use we have to here limit. No, okay, limit also. Let's use limit how many users we need to get here. So let's use query with user we need to get, and order by created 8, and limit is this one. Okay, and latest, then get. Okay, let's map flat map of this function past this. No need to this one. We have to, that's it for the recent winner query. Winner limit, let's get to the limit. Okay, that's it. So let's go to the home page. We have to get a recent winner, pass to the limit. Let's get per page 10. Okay, recent 10 winners per page. We are getting this one. After that, latest. We are making latest or not here? Not, right? So latest, and then get. Let me get recent winner here. Okay, recent winner, that is Castro. Recent winner, latest, get. Let's flat map. Let's flat map pass to the function, right, and draw. Okay, it's a return. What we have to return from here? Draw winners. Okay, from there take per page and only values. Okay, let's recent winner pass to the here, and another needed here, pass to this data. Okay, and complete draws. How many draws has been completed? Completed draws. Let's completed draws. completers also create. Let's go to the draws. Okay, another scope, public function scope completed draws query builder. Status is completed, and with winners query, and limit no need for this one, right? What we need to hear, with users, query with user. And here we need to latest. Okay, this is the latest return. What is over here? Get. Okay, let's get all now. Product draws. No. Another here, upcoming draws. Upcoming draws. Product get cash draw upcoming draws, right? So let's go to the upcoming draws. Cash draw public function scope upcoming draws. Let's remove this. Upcoming draws is pending. Upcoming under by date. Okay. Fine. Let's see an issue. Maybe there is an issue. It's taking time. Let's comment out this one. Okay, this is fine. If I use this one, upcoming draws, cash draw. Why? Oh, here is a mistake. Okay, that's why this issue, because not draws, this is a model. So it's fine. Yes, it's fine. Let's see the data. Let's debug. DD, we are debugging, right? I think you know about this one already, because Laravel developer know about this one. Yes, cache draws, items empty, recent empties, complete draws is completed draws has been 67. Then this one, And I am thinking, because complete draw, recent draw, we are getting too much, right? So let's limit, no, to take recent draws, right? Take 10 draws only, and here also take 10 upcoming draws. We don't need that too much draws here, right? One two draws, not millions of draws. If we have to make much more draw, we will use the pagination, okay, or ajax we will use. But now let's think about the not much more than 10 draws in our system. That's it. So let's go to the draws, okay. Here we have to design this one. Just I was pushed in the GitHub, okay. You can check out from the GitHub, in the GitHub link in the description below. So get this designing. I am not taking the too advanced, so you can copy from there. And if any line of code you don't understand, let me ask you, okay. You have to ask with me. So let's go to the cache draws, okay. Cache draw. So yes, we have cache lock draw. We will run this screen for home page, and then we are counting the cache draw, right? If no cache draw, there is no active cache draws, we have to show. And if there is a cache draw, else we are checking empty and count 0. Then we have there is a no cache draw. If there is else condition, if there is cache draw, we are looping the cache draws. And if the object have or array, we have to object him this array false case, okay. Otherwise no need to this one cache draw, okay. So if has false, so user entries is empty, and has entry to contains the user entries contains the entry use draw, where entry is already like entered. So return cache draw id is 0 if true, if draw id with matches, okay. If any entries contains in the users, so we have to use, okay. So that's why, that's it. And then we are showing the participant, total participant, how much joined, right. And then number of format, price is showing, and draw title, if has entry already entered, if no entered join cache, okay. And user entries. Just logic, okay. And then for is if recent winners, checking the recent winners empty, then showing the empty, not empty, view all winners. And recent winner we are looping the recent winner information, we are username, position, price showing. And if completed draws there is, we are taking already 5, right, no need to here. So complete draw only looping, and then showing the complete draws. And javascript we are going to the one function joined cache draws, right. So when cache draw entered, so going to the entry fee join to successfully with good luck. Okay, this function will make to the javascript later. Okay, next session. And update countdown and countdown interval. This is a timer to swing to draws countdown. Okay, yes. Lucky cash draw, win real prizes, enter and exciting cash draws, and recent completed cash draws. This is date with this one, and view all winners. We will go to the winners. Okay, let's go to the admin panel. Enter the admin panel. Go to the cash draw. Let's edit, and date draw date is today 31, and active created. All right, so let's open new tab. Go to the websites, cash draw. There is a one cash draw at the 4 winners, March 31. That is defined how many winners in this one. Total winner is only 2 winner needed, and already cash draws, right? So 2 winners needed and join cash draw. Okay, after join cash draw detail we need to make. Not now. Another is product cash draws. Okay, let's before go to the cash draw detail. Product draw list. Okay, same logic we have to use here for the product lucky draws. Okay, so this cash draw detail page, let's make the continue next sessions. Now I think we have to go to the product draws. Okay, product draw list. Let's first of all finish this one and then go to the make for detail for both. And product draw also needed something. Okay, here, right? Let's same product draw data. First of all we have to update, right? This product day update. Let's go to the product draws, public function. Oh, public function product update functions, right? Same we have to do here. Where is this? Yes, same update functions, and go to the winners of cash draw. Let's copy everything from the here. Go to the product draws. Let's use this one and import to the here. One has many, another is use build carbon, another is builder, query builder. Okay, yes, and cash draw to product draw id. All right. So entries also product draw IDs. Other is the same. So controller cash draw to the product draw, right? So we need to this one data. Let's go to the here, right? Cash draw to recent winner also. Yes, product draw to cash draw to product draw and per page. Now I am defining here per page is statically. We are get further out later, okay? Because that's for easy now. Product draw dot query active entries, everything is same. Cash draw to product draw, sorry, complaints, cash draw to product draw. And here is product draw pass the data, right? So let's go to the product draw and make this also dynamic, okay? And one more thing is the main problem is here, yes, user entry have or not, right? So we have to check, right? Here what we have to check, I'm thinking to here, right? One method let's make for the model, product model. Check this product draw entry exist or not, okay? User id, product draw id, draw type is product, same like cash draw. Let's add this one, check in the product user id, right? Where we have to check this one, entries point, right? So not here, sorry, I'm going to mistake here. Entry, okay, protected GRDD, got it, okay. And this function check product draw entry and check user cache row entry, cache row entry, cache cache cache. Okay. One more thing, I think what I can here. Okay, relational query we have to maintain later. Okay, now I am finishing this one. Okay, no issue. And then we have to check here. Product have already entries, so draw entries, right? Where, no, what we have to here, draw entry, if there is no user, how we have to check entry, user entry, how we have to checking here. Yes, null are existing, right? So if user entry already enter, if no, how to fee. Let's make this one user entry is null, and if auth user have, then this draw user where user id is auth id, alright. But draw, right, draw have an entries relation, and that's it. So same relation maintain here. Where is the cache row, right? Yes, let's use user entry null, okay, no need to has entry now. Why extra variable needed? I'll remove this one, user entry to has entry to user entry. Yes, that's it. Let's see upcoming draws, take get. Okay, not define this one in the product. Let's see upcoming draws, product have a claim scope recent complete upcoming draws, get product image, all to undefined function. Okay, let's make helper functions, have or not enums, there is no helper functions, right? So let's create helper function, one folder, helpers. Okay, in this function helpers dot php, and here we have to make get product image path with product storage, right? So let's php artisan storage link, first of all already linked, and then helper function list composer update this file psr auto upload. Okay, and then composer dump auto load. Okay, auto load, here we have to add files. Okay, and then here where app sclpers helper slash helpers dot php. What is the class name? Capital. Okay, that's fine. Composer dump auto load. Okay, before any composer auto load we have to update the composer dump auto load. After that, let's see. Yes. Okay, and after that let's detail page of this cast draw. Oh, there is a mistake. Cast draw, we are using a PHP. Why? 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 Maybe more. No, this is no need. Undefined method. Okay. First, not first, exists. Same for the progress. Exist. Spelling mistake. Exists. Yes. So let's join detail. Okay, let's next session we have to make a product detail and this one and go to the profile then. Okay.